Here's how to collect CMC logs using a secure shell. You'll need an SSH client. We're using PuTTY here, but other clients are available. Make sure logging is enabled and pick a location for the log file. Enter the IP address or hostname of the CMC and connect. Log in with your username and password, or the defaults of root and Calvin. Once connected, the output of any commands will be logged. If you're collecting logs for a tech support agent, they'll typically ask you to run racadm rackdump. It might take several minutes to complete. They'll usually also ask for dump logs. When you're done, type exit to close, then navigate to your log file. For more information on racadm commands, download the racadm CLI guide for your system from dell.com/support. Thanks for watching.